that there will be no peace in NPP until they are out of the cage. You will see after Bawumia has won, people that will start bantering and you will see contentions.
Now, we have 5 aspirants.
Yeah.
31st January 2026.
Thank you. Yes.
Why the baby?
Dr. Bawumia.
Why Dr. Bawumia?
It's the choice of God. According to destiny numbers, the number 1 is not going to help Kennedy Agyapong. The number 2 is not going to help Brian Champo. The number 3 is going to help Bawumia more. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
The team was for Kennedy Agyapong to win these primaries, but Kennedy Agyapong has sold his birthright. So it has come to Bawumia. Now, Bawumia has been tied and his image buried. Keep this video, send it to him. Bawumia has been tied and his image buried. Not for him to have fame. If Bawumia win, NDC have 12 years. If Kennedy wins, NDC have 16 years. Mark my words. The only thing that will make NDC lose power within the time that God has given them is the green pot. One, I keep telling them this thing. When the green pot is broken, they will lose power. Because Mahama must hold on to the baton until David is ready to hand over to him. The time is coming when he has fulfilled all righteousness in the things God wants him to do and is able to fulfill it all and it is established. Ghanaians will say, no, we can't get anybody like you. Give us 4 more years for us to look for somebody. Then after his 4 years, then David will be ready. Then David will come and take from him. And it is that David that is going to make Ghana a place that nobody wants to travel out. Everybody wants to visit Ghana.
Abusia Emra and I former president and another Danko Kufuado Etonsa a different 5 aspirants in Mombeshia na a breakfast meeting. I want to more Ekasa say Dinana woman a Dinamo Hesse Kasenchi so Kwane she's now more able to mean ever brat na for the assume Jenny Biakoye about pre to me now one more air Abusia before set meeting ever because na Ghana for be a wide be said woman tell and in fact, how much as another Danko Kufuado Pampuno or supporting one candidate be now so first meeting Emma woman in Ecoshia and no idea dancers and as I NPP for beef will be anywhere air costo or one more anthem. Now, I was no I can say after said another Danko Kufuado any aspirants in Ecoshia. A map prophecies are a D4 be over 2 months, so I shall see air clash, and then Mensaka prophets Bosheba, a woman, Chewa, I ever be Kobo, a 2 magic agent in Gusa, which I be Kuno, Nama also with me as subscribers to Musudia, I saw the bone of the accounts and then upload the 2 pay when the first person was a really capital, they would differ from an affair in Kobo. What if I'm more power?
And I say,
Papa be able
I don't know more grunty. You couldn't say,
Emra.
Yeah.
The 5 aspirants at the NPP Alameko.
Okay.
Ecoshia former president, Danko Kufuado.
Okay.
Breakfast meeting.
Okay.
I'm going to do a say we know a good news, a step in the right direction at the Mighty
Well, the for glory to God for the life of everyone. Ninyami adumanka. Minyesho si besibi. Emphasize nyama. You are mankwa. Amen. I keep telling you this and I'll keep telling you. And if you ask me 100 times, even if I sleep and I wake up and you ask me, I will tell you the same thing. That there will be no peace in NPP until they are out of the cage.
Even after the intervention of the man,
there will not be peace.
They are now cancer.
They are in a cage. The donkey tied has not been loosed.
And before caging?
Yeah. Yeah. The donkey that is tied, if it is not loosed, Jesus cannot use it.
Okay.
It cannot go to Jerusalem until the donkey is tied before it can walk the city of Jerusalem. Am I telling you something? They are in a cage and they must rather think of coming out first.
Okay.
Because NPP has been locked in a cage. And so these banter things, you are going to see it more, especially as the days are approaching.
Ebi mo so kwa e say after say a man pini na do akọ for the former president afre wo mu ne o maye sa meeting obi bi obetimi wi ni flag bearer no wo mo maka ni na be join sa ni pa no ne o ne wo maye campaign akọ ko wi ni power 2028.
That is what you think. But after that, you see prophecy fulfilled.
Is it not possible?
You will see after they are finished voting, after Bawumia has won, you will see people that will start bantering. And you will see contentions.
After
the voting. Yes. These ones are going to come this way and they will say, we are going to support you. We are going to support the opposition. We are going to support our opposition.
After the way we need flag bearer.
Yes. And leave our own people.
Odifo video be free abronye ene chairman wontimi ho ebaya na wo mo say ombetimi aye bibi asesa album no ko akoto aba no se ne be in favor of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Why is so the baby that spiritually ni wo mo kan no and what spiritual implications you about this one?
No, all I can tell you is that the election is not going to be manipulated.
From the sanka.
No. There's going to be it will cause a lot of fight. So I must say, the dangers we are seeing ahead of the election it's not small. So I will advise them that they should keep to whatever they are doing. Whoever will win is going to win. It will not be changed. Yes. 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 So they should just hold on to whatever they are doing. There should be no manipulation. Whoever is assigned to win, meaning about the person is going to win it.
Honorable Agyapong number 1, yeah. Dr. Brian Champon number 2.
Thank you.
Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia number 3.
Yeah.
Dr. Honorable Yawoseduchu, former education minister number 4, and then Engineer Agyapong number 5.
Yeah.
Numbers on the ballot paper.
Yeah.
It can be.
Yes.
Then it can.
Mark number 3.
Oh, D4. Number 3.
Yes.
Why number 3?
Number 3 is the number. It's the number for the sign of heaven. Okay. It's the number for the choice of heaven. It's the number of he who is to come. In the name of you who was sent.
Number 3.
Yes. Because every number has implications. Okay. Even according to the numbers, as you see, according to destiny numbers, the number 1 is not going to help Kennedy Agyapong. The number 2 is not going to help Brian Champon. The number 3 is going to help Agyapong.
Odifo, Messiah can say why number 3 because so can say number 3 is going to help Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
Yeah.
Physically.
Yeah.
So to see one thing so response eba support echo crowd listen you one budget so
yes
any assurance one dey ba pulse ahodo a eba bontin na indicate say honorable can akopɛ ko Agyapong na edim kunim asofo bibre na prophecies so echo edema honorable can akopɛ ko Agyapong and the spiritual aspect of it it is say obi a physically spiritually ni nyina eboa be see there na aka say number 1 no.
Now let me tell you the whole thing and then we'll come to who actually is going to win the election.
Okay.
Now, according to the realms of the spirit, in my prophecy before 2024 election, before their last presidential election, I've said, the thing was for Kennedy Agyapong to win this primaries. Listen to me very carefully.
Okay.
The thing was for Kennedy Agyapong to win this primaries, but Kennedy Agyapong has sold his birthright. Yes. So it has come to Bawumia.
Or told him Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
He has sold his birthright. Because the word of the Lord to Kennedy Agyapong before that flag bearership election was that Kennedy Agyapong is not going to win that flag bearership election. Now, what did God say he should do? God said after the voting, after everything, Bawumia is going to win the election and be the flag bearer for 2024 election. Now, when he is the flag bearer for 2024 election, don't stand anywhere and campaign for him.
Oh, okay.
Stay behind. Don't campaign for him. definitely he's going to lose the 2024 election. No matter what somebody will do. Baumia is going to lose the 2024 election. When he loses the 2024 election, you are the next flag bearer.
Intinanke was honorable Kanakumpe ko Agyapong and Dr. Muhammad Baumia a campaign.
Say only Gina platform so any Baumia pet the thing has left you.
Or your NPP ni.
Yes.
Or woman
must you obey God or men? God is speaking, you are talking about men.
Okay.
God is speaking, you are talking of men. And now we are hearing. So we'll collect 5 million and a campaign about me. So you have sold your birthright.
Therefore, with that one, on what can some one thing and the car say I am.
But we are hearing from the horse's mouth.
Horses near Ken. Oh, what can some can't be.
So we are hearing. No, why? Are we there? Do you expect him to come and talk?
Okay.
We are hearing, and the message came to you that don't campaign in 2024 election, because whether you campaign or not, Baumia is not going to win 2024 election. Now, if Baumia does not win 2024 election, the next flag bearer is you, Ken. That is the word of the Lord. And so if you go and take money and go and campaign, you have lost it.
For message don't campaign because you will not win.
Yes.
Okay, so when we need.
Yes. And the issue is the moment you stand on a platform and campaign for him, you have lost it. You have given it to him. Do you understand the prophecy?
But for Yemshe and someone very nine honorable Dr. Muhammad Baumia at the Bambon saying in a Ghana fortress as something in someone a peco de and today the other is only
SMA.
Say Abia if it is of a say I can 9p and we are dear back after you signed the child papa babble and say but say NPP for Ghana fortune this is not
this is in the sight of men. In the sight of men, you will say he has done mistake, but in the realms of heaven, he has received grace. The only problem, that is why I said he's left with one thing to do, and if he doesn't do that thing, now I'll tell you, I received 2 delegations, and I'll tell you what the delegations told me. Now, Baumia has been tied and his image buried.
Dr. Muhammad Baumia.
He has been tied and his image buried. Keep this video, send it to him. Baumia has been tied and his image buried. Not for him to have fame before the people. Now, this thing that they have done to him is going to make people deject him. It's going to make people leave his camp. It's going to make people, you hear this one say, oh, I'm leaving him, I'm going here. I am going this side. He needs a direction for him to be uprooted, his image restored. And then you will see what will happen. You will hear Baumia everywhere.
But if we remember the direction I was so now we have 5 aspirants.
Yeah.
31st January 2026.
Thank you. Yes.
Why the baby?
Dr. Baumia.
Why Dr. Baumia?
It's the choice of God.
For Saturday, delegates never to have no delegates choice and your God's choice.
Yes, we are. It is God who chooses before men make a choice.
Okay.
Who will see a thing and it will come to pass if the Lord has not established it? If the Lord disagree, it will never come to pass. It doesn't matter the choice you make. If God disagrees, it won't come to pass. So yes, men are going to vote. Is it not men who go to battle?
Okay.
But it is God who wins it.
Okay.
Bible says men go to war, but victory comes from God. So whilst you are going to war, Bible said the victory comes from God.
For Saturday, captation in Honorable Kennedy, Dr. Muhammad Baumia.
Yes.
And I won't be about who be to back also to be. Abra about 2024.
Yeah.
Ebeto Mountain so say your former president John Agyapong
yeah,
or support so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no kwa nam so ma honorable Alan Cash any Kufuor ntema se na enche da NPP ko social media no so enti ebi so kwa kire say honorable Ken Akufo Agyapong so no former president Kufuor ntema onye fe sabri Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ko Kufuor honorable Ken so akokufo wo makwa akochia o sama ye family
that's it.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to na monko obuzi anaso ye hu se honorable Ken Akufo Agyapong so akobuzi anaso ama no so mu nyina kwa kosre
One call first.
Oh, okay.
Who went first?
Say you know mako.
No, one call first.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
The early bird catches the worm.
Okay.
Thank you.
Enti nipa no di kan call ye no.
Yes, the odi can call ye no. Waji Grace no.
Ni nyina nye na ba ko so no call.
Grace. The odi kan you know. Enye the odi kan na odi na chi no. Me so bia call ye ntimi ko ye bio. Are you getting me?
Enti me man say you obi na mo me ni na spiritual direction na wo mo ye.
But who went first? Even if it is the direction given, who went first?
The first shall be the last.
No. And it's not done that way.
Okay. As a hundred intimacy, sir.
No. What they ever should you see? Me, I said if the people of Bawumia like, and they will be following deceiving prophets who will not tell them exactly if you do this one, it will be this. If you do this one, the results will be this. If you do this one, the results will be this. And they will get the right prophet. Bawumia will win, and that is all.
Odi for Kobane say, near working and Koba Musai.
Sounds like baby. Because I am not the one speaking. I am speaking by who? Who is speaking through me.
Odi for Ninse maybe Sasa say, ye prophecies baby.
Yeah.
I may be more cried tito so we be omo adoma nya media amom no to so say ade ya be mu a mo fa me false prophet sa se ma me kan ya be mu a mo betwa me see says awon enti na ye bisa say bibia ti me se mo kwa me tell say na me ti me sa na adwene. I
hold to my words. That is why every prophecy, do you know every prophecy is a conception? Do you know prophecies can be aborted?
Okay.
It can be aborted. Things can be aborted in the unseen realm. Before it will manifest. Visions can be aborted. Dreams can be aborted. Are you getting me? So there are things that when it is in the unseen realm, you need people who will guard it until it is fulfilled in the physical realm. If you don't have watchers who will watch over what is there and guard that word until it is fulfilled, it will be aborted. That is why if you want to win an election, the people around you matters most. Okay. The spiritual people you have around you, they can tell you go this way, do this one, do this one, do this one. They can give you a direction. And when you begin to go out, everybody will align with you. As I'm telling you that he has been buried, his image has been buried.
By who?
By his opponents. His image has been buried. So you see that now you won't be hearing Bawumia anywhere. You won't be hearing Bawumia anywhere. You won't be hearing about. Let Bawumia be uprooted. Let the direction be done for him for his steps. And see, the event will change.
What you said, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, baby.
Yeah.
How important is that?
Very important for his victory, if only he wants to win. Because there are people who came to me. 4 people came to me. And when they came and sat with me in my office, this is the exact word they told me. And these people, I won't say that they are NDC. You know what they told me?
For what?
They say, please, Prophet, we beg you. Don't help Bawumia. We know if you help Bawumia, he will win. We know what you can do. Rather, we want Kennedy to win so that the election 2028 will be easy for us. Yes.
Ebi so kyerɛ sɛ
Yeah.
NDC for.
Yeah.
Omo pese Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia aba.
No.
Because ono no na kokko no ma bo ne pen. Nti ono de so mo de ne back NDC for no kwa beda mo nye campaign so be wi aba.
Dr. Bawumia will be a hard nut for the NDC.
Obi on na 2024
will be a hard nut for them. Because everything, now according to their words, what they are telling me is what I'm telling you. But see, there's some cover Bawumia who you know can be gonna phone him that. But Kennedy, they are holding dockets. And when they start releasing it, that will be the end of the election.
If you so just say, Honorable Kennedy, it's your match NDC for good for.
No. When the dockets start coming, you will see. Or see, there are things that are holding. If we start bringing them out, that will be the end of the election.
But if we're not there by one, not gonna for HSS, Honorable Agyapong, we need primaries no be flag bearer na. NDC for bets me Eddie appointiano pa a year. I'm at Swally New Woon. Send me no case, something that just a case. It's be
that is what you are thinking. By the time will come when we'll be in this country. I'm just praying because of what these things are saying. And sometimes I'm thinking, should I work things out for Kennedy to win so that we will see that NPP will not be in a position for 16 years. If Bawumia win, NDC have 12 years. If Kennedy wins, NDC have 16 years. Mark my words.
Honorable Agyapong,
NDC has 16 years to be in power. If Bawumia win, they have 12 years. You can mark it anyway. The only thing that will make NDC lose power within the time that God has given them is the green port. One, I keep telling them this thing. When the green port is broken, they will lose power.
Nipo bet me break green port na Ghana fortress Honorable Agyapong.
No. The green port is not in the hands of opposition. It's in their own hands. It's the hands of Asidun Kitia. It is not in the hands of anybody.
Okay.
And Asidun Kitia must guard that green port until Sami Jemfi is matured and birthed in the spirit to take it from him.
Oh, and I say very different. You're working there. A coach of the more Honorable Kennedy because I bring a Asidun Kitia to Ghana fortress with the wooden day there. We're doing this now to hook up a place of a flag bearer.
Yeah, we are guiding them. When the time comes, when they need guidance, we'll guide them.
If it's near a chairman, Mr. Sanadin is a woman could be.
Yes.
Uncle Pray flag bearer.
Yes.
Or bear chairman.
Say, you know, people are just prophesying because of the things they see physically, the things they see here. Who be so biased and one the bear flag bearer will say, see, because that is what they are seeing now. Even if you ask a child today, they will tell you either your friend saying, Asidun Kitia and Nancy Julius Zebra.
But in
the realms of the spirit, Asidun Kitia is not supposed to stand as a flag bearer. He must be a guider. Are you getting me? He is the pot holder. He is the green pot holder. So he must rather be behind somebody. If you go into the race, that is how I keep giving you an example. Should Moses leave the rod and come and fight with Joshua and Caleb, Moses has to be there, holding his hands up for them to win the battle. And at the end of it all, after they won the battle, who did they call? Is it not Moses? Did they call Joshua? Did they call Caleb? That is Asidun Kitia for you.
Okay.
He is the victory winner. That is what people keep telling you is Asidun Kitia. But the thing is for the David that is in the bush, that is in conception. He is not prepared yet. That is why Muhammad must go 8 years.
Oh, so one could be.
The time will come. Say 2020 is not can you wait 2020 or something maybe or say 2024 but we guided until they came. So when the time comes, we won't get to the bridge, we'll cross it. We'll get there. When we get there, you will hear the Mahama Tuasu in all the nations. We will get there. You will hear the slogan, Mahama Tuasu. You will get there. Just leave everybody, we'll get there. Because Mahama must hold on to the baton until David is ready to hand over to him.
I said,
the one who is to succeed him is now coming to birth. And he's not spiritually and physically prepared yet. That is why Okasonko 8 years, it can trouble many things.
Say Wakase on be 4 years now.
But decisions are not taken yet. When the time comes, we'll take decisions. There are decision makers, there are watchers. When the time comes, the watchers will take the decision. Because the watchers say 8 years. So when the time comes, watchers say 8 years. And then they will soon about into reality.
Okay.
And they will soon and then manifesting in the realms of men. There is nothing that comes in the realms of men that is not coming from the spirit world or from the realms of the unseen. Everything you see today is coming from the unseen spirit.
Now, because I brought you the kind of video with the car said, one want say a man penning John Roman Mahamania so full be crash as this sound common.
Mr. Edusa, the wind that is going to blow, you have no option than to follow. The time is coming when he has fulfilled all righteousness in the things God wants him to do and is able to fulfill it all and it is established. Ghanaians will say, no, we can't get anybody like you. Give us 4 more years for us to look for somebody. Then after his 4 years, then David will be ready. Then David will come and take from him. And it is that David that is going to make Ghana a place that nobody wants to travel out of. Everybody wants to visit Ghana. Nations, you won't say you are going outside to work. People will come to Ghana to work. Nations will be trooping in. Embassies will be looking for Ghanaian visa. Because of David. Say when I prophesy that God will hand over to a Joshua, people has begun saying Joshua Labi. But it's not the one I'm talking about. Joshua Labi is not in the contest at all. If he comes 10 times, he will lose. He should not spend his money. He should not let anybody deceive him. He should try it. He will waste his money.
Okay. So right,
he is not there at all. He should not be deceived.
Okay. Odifo can say be said Dr. Muhammad Bawumia pese odi nkunima.
Yes.
Ye maybe what was so ye matter.
Me fun to do. No, nowadays I don't talk just like that.
Is it much more for?
And you may be honor. I must keep it as a secret. You must come to the holder of the secret for it.
Okay.
First now, we give directions. You can't send any direction out to Okoya de we are. No phobia befa. No one de abrewo. No nkofo di. Are you getting me? Now we'll be the holder of the secret. If you need it, come. If you need it, come. Now there was a conversation between me and one person in Baumia's camp. There was a WhatsApp conversation. And then I put things there that this is what Baumia must do. But do you know the reason why one of them, I said I won't talk about it? You can read the conversation.
Oh, therefore, every conversation is not kind of me, Mr. Soka says secret now, and I said, Nemana, Dr. Muhammad Baumia here, and I did to that.
Yes.
Because see a day, Reynolds Mabaka car said,
yeah.
Why you fasting be a good pain? While Blancophobia for so be a muscle, it is say, dear, so what will be an obedient man will be a, or no near Winnie Panini, lawyer, no was inside.
Oh yes, exactly, because any lawyer and any Oh, that is I won't say that because people like me, I won't talk for anybody. But me, no matter what I've done, you need an honor. Are you getting me? Because as we are going and coming, it is fuel we are using. You know, we are going to radios, we are doing programs. I won't go to market. My wife will not go to the market and they'll say this is the wife of the prophet and they'll give her provisions.
Okay.
Do you get me? I won't go to the filling station and they'll say, oh, this is prophet, and they'll fill my tank and say, go home. That is what honor. Even Jesus and God said, where is my honor? If I am your father who has helped you, where is my honor?
Okay.
Do you get me? So the Okano, it is his own domain. Are you getting me? He said he will bring in a lawyer. Yeah, a lawyer, because we are not the ones speaking. It is God.
Okay.
So whether you do what you must not do, we leave the judgment for God. And the rest will follow. But for me,
okay,
God gives you wisdom as the time goes. You begin to mature as you are living in the days and as you are doing things. Now I've seen certain things and I've studied certain things. And I said, I won't put my things outside there like that again.
Number 23.
If you need it, look for me.
Okay. Or for your conversation and I will come once.
Thank you.
Okay, so the date is 22nd September 2025.
No. It is 1st August. Is it 1st October or 1st?
Okay, near what holiday? August near World Cup Day. And the conversation I will be sending, is it not the Papa?
Yes, yes. Yeah. What is the date?
Okay, October 1st,
Thank you.
2025.
Thank you.
October 1st, 2025.
Yes, I thought I made a mistake.
Okay. So I say, Papa, I'm a member of Dr. Baumia's campaign team. There is a lot of prophecies.
Yes.
Prophets are given different prophecies.
Different prophecies.
But I believe in your gifts calling.
Thank you.
And even since I have been following you from 2012.
Oh, this is somebody who has followed me from 2012 years.
There is no prophecy you have given that has not come to pass.
Okay.
Your words are powerful and your dimensions is unique.
Thank you.
Prophet, please, what do we have to do for Dr. Baumia to win this flag bearership election coming? Okay, so peace and blessings. These are your response.
Yes.
Dr. Baumia spiritually is the favorite to win.
So you see that I never change my words. I don't say this one and go and say this one here. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay. Dr. Baumia spiritually is the favorite to win the upcoming flag bearership.
Thank you. And still he's the favorite.
But he needs to do two things.
Two things.
To be able to win it.
Thank you.
His win stands on two conditions.
Two conditions.
Spiritually, victory is given by God.
It is by God.
First of all, pray that Baumia will be on the number 3.
Number 3.
On the ballot paper.
Yes.
Because number 3 will win the primaries.
Thank you.
That's the winning number for him.
Yes, thank you.
Then the rest, I will talk about it later.
Thank you.
Hey, Papa, we pray for the number 3, 2021. I heard your prophecy that in the 2024, the one that will win the number 8 on the ballot, the one that will be number 8 on the ballot will win the elections.
Yes.
And it came to pass.
Thank you.
According to your words. Thank you, General Prophet.
Oh, so the same thing I prophesied that number 8 in 2021. I've given a prophecy that number 8 will win 2024 election. One they win the 2024 election. Which number was it?
Number 8.
We are looking at number 3 now.
Okay.
We are looking at number 3 now. And the radar is on number 3.
And nothing can change it.
The radar is on number 3.
Nothing can change it.
He's left with one thing to do.
Oh,
He has fulfilled one.
Okay.
He has got the number right. It is left with one thing. He's stand on two conditions. That's what I make clear. His winning stand on two conditions. One condition has been fulfilled. The second one is what I will talk about. If they see me, I'll tell him, do this. Go and win. Now there is a scripture I have given you. I want us to look at that scripture as I end.
Okay.
Ezekiel chapter 1, the verse 1. The book of Ezekiel. I'll send it to you, the book of Ezekiel.
Ezekiel 1.
Chapter 1, the verse 1.
Okay.
On July 31st.
On July 31st
yes.
of my 30th year.
Yes.
While I was with the Jordan.
Whilst I was with the Jordan, yes.
Beside the Kabar River in Babylon.
Thank you.
The heavens were open.
The heavens were open.
And I saw visions of God.
The heavens were open and I saw visions of God. Is it a man speaking or God speaking?
God.
So this is a man of God, this is a prophet who is saying that on that day I saw the heavens open and I saw visions. So there are men, whilst they are walking, the heavens are open for them and they see visions. And when they tell you this is what I've seen, if you like, joke with it. If you like, do it. The end of the matter, we will see it. Thank you.
I was in for Hannah Brema, and made a form of training in our AC, and a prophet worshipper, and I did and common messages with our comments. Our comment section for Eddie Amami. A too much GA. The really son, I am as a subscriber to Mr. Why the dance made us in a insure all the social media handles so cover. A too much GA. All subscriber like Yashi, now before so any passion within Eddie Dark, the best.